Oh, this is me. Oh no, I got left again. Oh, I've been driving in a blizzard, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, I can't get my fucking hands on. Hands on everything. I'm about to set off some fireworks here. What's wrong with my face? It's all retarded. Where the hell am I doing here? All right, people. Stand back. It's gonna get dangerous. I've been sitting places. Baby, you so lazy. Did you take the freaking lighter? I can't believe it. It's not, damn it. Oh man, not my bloody ass. A lighter. Do 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 do. Baby. Yeah. Hello, you can see me still. I got to put on my mitts. Yeah, uh-oh. I wish I could run my hoverboard in the snow. You know? The snow. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Look at the snow everywhere. See? It's like a great craziness out here. Craziness of snow. I'm all lit the freak up. And yeah. Hello. Where the hell is my pocket? Damn you. I'll never talk to you again. Okay. I've made no good promises. Oh man. I don't even know what the hell just happened. We're taking a walk. Oh, stay on the path. The trails of scariness. Am I on the path? No. Don't. Hey. Damn, Big Bird. You scary. You scared me. Hello, people. Ew. Bear with me, damn it. Pause. Will it pause? No, it won't pause. I need a lighter. I promise these good people fireworks. I can't go back on me word. Which one of these is fireworks? I can't see shit. Where's the lighter?
I'm getting it.
I'm cold. Just kidding. Yeah. Oh. My bloody hat fell off. Damn these people. Here there. Here. Let's see if someone's actually got a wick. Almost blew my hand up last time. I'm about to shoot the neighbors.
No.
Yeah, it's going in their house.
No.
Shoot at the camera. I'm gonna shoot at their camera. Ha ha ha. Yep. Big Bird, you hold this. You stupid bird. Uh-oh. Big Bird, hold me. Hold me here. There's Big Bird. Oh, there you go, Big Bird. Hold it. You be a buddy now. Yeah. You can see me blinking, but you can't really see me. Hello. I don't see shit. Oh well. I'll come pick you guys up once my light's this. Hello. Big Bird. I thought we were friends. Stupid. man. There we go. Hello. Oh shit. Woo. Oh. Whee! That's all. Oh, Big Bird did it. Well, I guess that's all, people. You have a holly jolly January 3rd or whatever today is. Yep. What the hell am I got? I don't know. But I gotta go, guys. And Merry Christmas!